Now we're gonna see like how we can install Google Analytics 4 in our Shopify store. So the first, we just need to do a few things. First of all, we need to go in Google and search analytics.google or analytics space Google. If you search in here like analytics.google.com, then you will get this website, or you just need to find out somehow like analytics website. So I just search in Google like analytics.google.com. I get a different website at that starting. Then I go another here and I just find out something this. So what you can do directly, you can like search analytics.google.com. I hope you're gonna get directly this one. Okay, let me try again if I get, because when you're just searching it, I get a little bit trouble to finding out. Yeah, okay, so that means analytics.google.com. If you search, then you will be land on this page. And I already log in with my my Gmail account. So now I just need to click on start measuring, and now you need to type here like your account name. This is like something you can easily identify. So I'm gonna say, let's say Aussie test, so that I can easily identify. And this is like a data sharing setting. So if you want to share the data, then you can just do. For now, I'm just going to like as it is. And now your property name. So for property name, it's something like going to be your website name, something. So I'm gonna go with my website name, so I can easily identify. And here is the reporting time zone. Like what will be the time zone we'll be reporting. You can like your region. You can like select here. For example, right now I'm gonna select UK. Let's go to the next. Okay, now just thinking about my business, so I'm gonna search here other business activity and small. Let's go to the next. And what is your business objective? General ideas, drive sales, and yeah, others businesses. Okay, not maybe this for this. I'm gonna select. Let's create on this create button, and I need to select and accept this button. I don't have accept. Okay, so after this, I need to select a platform like a web, and then I need to write here my website. So what I can do, I can go here and view this so that I can, okay, now I'm just gonna copy it, paste here, remove this HTTPS, remove this one, my website name must be like Toggy something, and now I just create and continue. Now let's click on next. Now in here, okay, so now we just need to go show more options, install with other CMS, and go to next. Select your platform, so I'm gonna go with Shopify, and in Shopify they're gonna give you all the process. So I'm just gonna click on here, Google and YouTube. Or what you can do, you can just go here and Shopify and search apps, and it's already selected. Let's search Google and YouTube. Just search it, and I just gonna search it here, and let's go to install. Here's the install button. Just click on install. And now I just need to click on install button to install it. It's installed successfully. You'll get to see on this left sidebar like a sales channel. And here is it. You can just pin it if you really want it. And now it's time to connect our Google account. So here, we just need to connect it. Already just sign up it here with my Google. And as you can see now, my Google account is connected. Okay, so now we just need to select the things that we just, the website we added here. We just added. So for this one, what you have to do, if you're just going to click on create a new, then that means you're going to create automatically a new one. So you don't need to click on there. You just need to click on this get started, this button. Okay, click on get started, and now you have a connect. You select a manage, and also I select the manage. Let's see, confirm, and this is also, yeah, maybe it's also need to confirm. Let's complete the setup. So after it's finishing, as you can see, I get a little bit error. Maybe in your case you will directly get your account. So in my case, I go analytics and I again get started. Then as you can see, I get the same thing that I was created before here. As you can see, created here this doggy one. So I get the same thing here. And now let's click on connect to connect this. And now I just confirm something. So let's confirm. Let's click on complete setup. And now as you can see, my Google Analytics is successfully added. And if I go to go here, maybe it's done. Go to the next. Maybe, yeah, it's already connected though. Yeah, it's connected as you can see. As you can see, I can see like active user, event count, all of this I could see here, and here's the report, exploit, everything, all of this thing I could say here. Let me do a little bit correction that I do mistake during the video. So as you can see here on this portion, I go with like a next option. I mean, I just directly click on here this get started button, but as a user, when you're just going to set up it, make sure that what is it you're just going to set up. So I forget to read this title and I just like get started. So in your case, make sure that it's need to be analytics. So just click on here this button, then you will get like analytics option, then click on get started. Okay, then you will get all of this at once, and just go to next, and then your analytics will be set up.